Now, the continued calls from local associations for a permanent home could prompt a reaction from the local Olympic body, which has promised to look into the matter for 2025.
President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda, says the time has come for local sporting associations to start pooling their resources where possible. His comments come as the Jamaica Table Tennis Association continues its search for a training center as players prepare for their upcoming regional tournaments. Samuda says the JOA will have to look at possible solutions, which could mean a sharing of space.
The Jamaica Olympic Association has always invested in sport. And what we have said, let us look at how we can coalesce sports together, because it may be challenging for one association to have a home. Let us see how we can pull our resources together and call it not only a home for one association, but a home for 3 or 4 associations. So that is always on our strategic plan. We are going to be looking at it this year quite closely to see how best that we can now combine the efforts of our member association, identify a place or places so that they can call a home, and then work out logistically how seamlessly trading can go on at the respective homes.
Meanwhile, JTTA President Ingrid Graham says there is ongoing discussions with other associations on how a shared approach could work.
Actually, we've been speaking, badminton and myself and basketball, and we're going to approach volleyball as well, so the ball sport. So basically, yes, if we can get a space to facilitate all ball sports, then that would be excellent. So we just work on a time schedule, and when we have competition, we will still share the space. So I think we will have a great relationship there if we come together to get one indoor complex to facilitate all the ball sports.
In the meantime, Samuda has commended the Graham-led JTTA on their recent launch of a continuous training camp for local players as they prepare for their respective competitions.
We have always said, convert your talent into Olympic squads so that we can resource them, so that we can have them train, and that we can set a program for them so that they can realize that there are certain qualities, there are certain prerequisites that they have to have in order to transition. So this is absolutely important. And I want to congratulate the President and her team members, because they have understood that talent must be honed in a very structured environment. Training must be specialized so that they can get a chance to transition to the international regional stage.
The training program will run for 3 to 4 months.